Okay, checking my mic. Okay. So today we will be watching. Hold on 1 second. Dude, it was literally in here a while ago. Man. Okay, so I'm going to be watching Momo the cat. As always, subscribe to them. But yeah, I've seen Ricklev watch of them. I've seen Elevens watch them. I've seen Just Cozy watch them. And I thought, oh, by the way, stay away from the Hello Kitty girls. But yeah, anyways, we are going to be watching Momo the cat. Now I'm going to be watching.
Get up and eat my.
People say that Momo used to be educational, so I'm gonna see.
Hey, if today is not your day, just close your eyes and say fuck, fuck, shitty, fuck, fuckity shit. Then take a deep breath and say it again.
Momo, you're fucking 5.
Hey, if today.
Momo, you're fucking 5. Okay, I'll just start at like the one Ricklev started. I'll just do it from the most popular. Yeah, I'll just.
I have an extra mommy and my mommy doesn't know, 'cause she only comes to see us when
Oh, and it's been like 2 weeks since I last saw someone reacting to Momo the cat, so yeah, I'm not really gonna know anything, and I'm still gonna freak out.
my mommy isn't home. She brings me little presents and she says that we're best friends, but I shouldn't tell my mommy 'cause the presents would all end.
Okay, first of all, unless she's a gold digger, how does she get enough money to bring you presents every single, like, week?
She sits in mommy's chair.
Or she could be like a trucker who has, who gets like a couple thousand.
And she goes in mommy's room and she drinks from mommy's cup when mommy goes to work at noon.
Okay. On Momo the cat's mother, how does she not taste the different saliva on her cup?
I asked her why she leaves when mommy comes home every night, and she said that she's a dancer, and I think that's very nice.
This nigga is a stripper.
I have an extra. Mommy has a Tuesday friend that daddy doesn't know. He comes around in gym clothes and always whispers, go slow. He helps her move the furniture, but it's always back the same.
I think Momo's a bit too young to read, so I'm just gonna say yeah, Momo, Stay innocent.
And he brings her lots of smoothies with a fake Italian name. She tells me he's her yoga coach, but they never do a pose. They just sit and laugh and whisper, and he smells like garden hose. When Daddy calls, she tells me, say we're baking cake instead. But I don't see the flower, just her lipstick on the bed.
Okay, first of all, by cake, I think he means he's frosting her cake. There's a little frosting on there. If you know, you know. They always whisper, go slow, nah, what? Excuse me, what? I give him extra, mommy is just fine now. Yes. Came from educational to freaky. Kids explain the craziest things cutely, like what?
My auntie has a playroom that smells like bubble gum. She said it's just for grown-ups and I'm not allowed to come. There's mirrors on the ceiling and sparkles on the floor, with swings that hang like jungle vines and locks on every drawer. She says she helps important men with stress and letting go. I saw a prince from Switzerland and once a CEO.
You know, I think this account may be AI, cause look at all this.
They always dress in funny clothes and
What are those called again?
crawling on all fours. And one time someone brought a leash and barked behind the door.
Get your freak ass on. Man. Like, Momo just needs to go to the adoption center. Get out! Yes, I know I just stole that from Ricklev, so just so I don't get copyright striked, let me show that I'm subscribed to him. Look, I'm subscribed, and you should subscribe to him too.
She said I have to do my math while they play musical chairs with ropes, but I think it's unfair that I do homework while they chant weird hopes.
Freaky Zuckerberg.
My auntie has a playroom that smells like bubble gum. She said,
Nah, bro, now I feel like my baby cousin's gonna sing us Wayne's 5 a.m. family reunion. Save Memo the cat. Yeah, now up here. It's only playing musical chairs, so.
my mommy has a microphone she hides inside her.
Okay, I'm not gonna destroy her innocent.
Though she only likes to sing real loud when Daddy's at the store. I
Why you sweating, you freak ass?
brought it in for music class and watched the lights get brighter. But all I told the badge man was he put it in A minor.
That's just a key. It's just a key, not not anything else.
Then Daddy came to the school and he looked extra salty. I think he's jealous of my singing, 'cause Mommy says his pipes are faulty. Now Grandma's here to pick me up, but her brain's like mushy fruit, 'cause she took my favorite microphone and said it'll be a good meat substitute.
It's already a meat substitute, if you know what I mean. this is all you're seeing on my face, by the way. I am not revealing my face until 1K subscribers.
My mommy has. My grandpa talks with girls online. He calls them all his queen. But I'm worried he might be getting dementia, cause he tells them he's only 17.
This is him. This is what your grandpa is.
He talks with them for hours and writes out whole love songs. He must want to take them to Subway, cause he keeps mentioning his foot long.
Cannot be joking, bro.
Mommy gets real mad at him and acts so standoffish. I don't know what they're arguing about, but it sounds like he's gonna make catfish. He said he finally found the one and booked her on a flight. She said she travels heavy, and he pictured a rich girl delight. Though he seemed quite devastated when he finally saw her look, it seems the girl named Paige ended up being the whole book.
Okay, that's actually creative, Momo. Page being a whole book. That is actually... that's creativity.
My cousin went to film school and thinks he's really deep. He only likes them black and white and they always make me sleep. He says he's working on a piece but never tells me more. He always locks his room real fast as girls come through the door. Last night I heard some yelling, then screams that sounded mean. So now I know he's working on a spooky horror scene. He says the films aren't meant for me, and I think that's...
It's a scene, if you know what I'm talking about. It's a scene. If you know what I'm talking about. If you know, you know. It's a scene.
some bull crap, cause people come to watch them live and I always hear them clap. He must be super talented.
You always hear them clap? You mean like... right? You mean like... right? Tell me that's what you fucking mean, Momo the cat.
And might go off to can. I've never heard a single boo, just talks of OnlyFans.
Okay, to any kids watching this, I'm not gonna tell you what an OnlyFans is.
My cousin went to films. My brother has a gym friend. He met on the wrestling team. They both wear matching outfits and oil before they scream. They spot each...
Did you just say oil before they scream?
oil before they...
And oil before they scream. Yeah, they're gonna be screaming if you know what I mean.
oil before they scream. They spot each other grunting and whisper just like that. But I've never seen a single weight and their arms are still quite flat.
A gay brother, a cheating mom, cheating dad, grandpa, that's Jeffrey Epstein. That also killed grandma, saved this kid. At this point, he's better off in the... At this point, he's better off in the adoption center. Get out!
They always shower after, yet only one has soap. They say it saves the planet, but said if I told anyone, they'd tie me up with rope. They watch old pirate movies, but decide to act them out instead. So they call each other captain while sword fighting in bed. He says that he's still bulking, and strength is slow to show, but he's been walking sideways since April, and never seems to grow.
I'm getting so. The continue. They focused. They were focusing. They added this. The second mom.
My neighbor girl asked nicely for a recent pic of me. She said she liked my smile, so I gave it cheerfully. I saw her near the trash can where my sandwich crust had been. She must have been extra hungry and took it with a grin. I keep seeing blinking eyes by my window late at night, but mommy says that's normal when the moon reflects just right. I think it's
Okay, guys, if you see eyes watching you in the middle of the night, just know that's just the moon shining, right?
neighbor girl's birthday. There are candles on the floor. Their birthday song sounds backwards and in words I've never heard.
That's a yandere.
She must be learning sewing and keeps poking something small. She frowned and said, "It isn't working," then whispered, "That family will fall."
Well, they technically already fucking did. Why the fuck do I have a holy ass light behind me? Fuck. Well, it already did fall, so you don't really have to do anything more.
My neighbor girl asked nicely for a recent. My grandma has a fancy ring and wears it every day. Men in suits all tip their hats at us, then slowly back away. Her friends all wear dark sunglasses and call her godmother, but I've never seen them at Christmas and they seem quite scared of her. I always hear them whisper about whack and some big score, but grandma says she hates baseball and goes behind the garage door. She always trips on sidewalks or falls behind a tree. She claims her bones are fragile, but she moves just fine to me. She says she's in waste management and makes things go away, so maybe she can ask around where Grandpa has been since May.
Okay, so she works for the mafia. This cat has such a messed up family. Yes, I actually like her. She gets her discussing exactly.
My mommy has a plumber friend who comes to lay some pipe. The leak must be extra bad, cause he stays till late at night. He seems to be a man of many talents, cause next week he made a doctor stop. She must have been super brave. I can hear she got a lollipop. Then he came out.
That the other kind of lollipop, if you know what I mean. The kind of lollipop, if you know what I mean.
As a fireman, though the house was not on fire. That's nice, he comes to rescue mommy, who keeps getting stuck in the dryer.
What freaky shit? Did they take some pills of freakiness? Like, how the fuck you get stuck in this dryer?
People often say she's their favorite actress every time we go to the store.
Okay, so she's a porn star too.
I think she's making action movies and is always quite sore. My mommy has a plumber friend who comes to lay some pipe. My sister wears her sparkly dress to dinner every night. Older men pick her up in shiny cars and say she's a delight, but I think they find her stories dull, or maybe she's impolite, cause every time I spy on them they're asleep after one bite. Some she'll bring for a spa retreat to help them find their zen, but she must be really bad at it, cause I always hear the
Rolex and a new PS4, dang, free stuff, bad, bad. Give me your sister, bro. Give me your sister. That's free stuff. Dude, give me your sister. That's free stuff. I would love some free stuff if you know what I mean, bro. Okay, why the fuck am I free stuff? I'm not actually gonna break my camera. This costed a lot.
She says be good, don't ask too much, then gently locks the door. My sister wears her sparkly dress to dinner every night. My uncle has a special friend who only comes at night. He leaves a little package, then he zooms off in the night. He sniffs the kitchen table like he's looking for a pie.
Okay, I'm not gonna say what that is, because Momo seems to be like 5.
And he says he loves to ski, but it's the middle of July. Sometimes he smells like candy and he wears his party pants. He says he went to Sparkle World where ladies do a dance.
Fuck you say, Momo the cat. Oh, I'm on Discord. The fuck you say, Momo the cat. The fuck you say.
He gave away his mattress cause he doesn't like to sleep. And now he lives in mommy's car and hides behind the seat. He stores his juice in sandwich bags and calls it secret stock. But mommy says he's moving to a room
Okay,
that's soft and locked.
so he's insane, a drug addict, and lean.
My uncle has a I have a friendly mailman who's always a lot of fun. He brings us lots of packages even when we order none. He says they're all real fragile and for my special mom. But if they are that breakable, why they're smashing them till dawn? She must be signing up for scams on Firefox, cause they keep on talking about the junk inside her box. Then Daddy saw him walking out of Mommy's room. He gasped and ran to Grandma, all teary-eyed and full of gloom. Now someone
Okay, you gonna what? You going to run to your mom after figuring out you got cheated on. Okay.
else brings letters and acts real standoffish. Grandma said the last guy went snorkeling and is sleeping with the fish.
For any people who don't know, when someone's sleeping with the fish, someone's been murdered and thrown to, like, the ocean or the lake or sea, whatever. And I think it's what mafias use. Okay, let me see. Yeah, exactly.
I have a friendly mail. My grandpa has a white van. He never lets me in.
This shit says, want some candy. Nigga. This is obviously a kidnapper, Momo. Like, Mama, you know what? Strike one, Momo, of being a dumbass.
He says it's just for special friends and flashes his big grin. He gives out juice and candy to every kid but me. He even takes them on joy joyrides and says they will be free.
Only one strike per video.
He brings them to the basement to play with secret toys. But it's been almost 2 whole weeks and I haven't heard a noise. One time I saw him whispering and getting stacks of dough. He said they're off to summer camp, which is so unfair because mommy never lets me go. He said if I go tattling then Santa won't come on his sleigh. But I find it hard to believe him when Christmas lights are up in May. My grandpa has a white van.
Okay, strike 103.
My uncle said he broke right out of silly jail last night. He said we're going on a trip and packed the car up tight. We stopped to get some pizza. He sprinkled on plants from the ground. I didn't know he loved mushrooms so much, but his pupils turned big and round. Then the sky turned dark, the walls shook hard, and Uncle screamed they found the van. But it's hard to believe the great cleanse has begun when we just got banned from the car wash again. Soon after he shouted, the generals are here, and fell right into the trenches. I don't think the crossing guards were amused. They moved him right onto the benches. Then mommy came to pick me up and gave him evil eyes. He whispered she should watch herself. I know the truth behind the lie.
Sweet home Alabama. Strike 2.
My grandpa's playing Minecraft with all the kids but me. He built a little island that's just for minors only. I wish I...
He's Epstein. I knew it. I fucking knew it. No, I'm not gonna pull that back.
could game with them since grandpa seemed to go. They keep on yelling creeper and are scared he's gonna blow. My friends no longer come to class and it...
Well, your grandpa's gonna come, if you know what I mean.
Invite would have been kind. Gramps said to make the bed rock, they'll really have to grind.
Okay, if you're one of those kids who love Minecraft, just don't know what that means.
Then Grandma broke into the game and made the whole world heated. The screen then froze real bad. I guess the files were deleted. My grandpa's...
Strike 3, Momo. I'll give you one last chance, just because you're like 5 years old.
My uncle has a giant church with lights that shine so bright. He makes the people clap and sing and have fun every night. They happily drop their money in to reach the great white plane. I can't tell what that does for them, but it's fun to fly to Spain. He taught at Grandpa's summer camp. It looked like fun horseplay, but I don't get why they look so scared each time he shouts, "Let us pray." He says we need to stay pure and deep inside the holy gaze. He gives some boys extra lessons like my brother's friend named Blaze. Some men came in with shiny cups and dragged him off instead. They must not do communion or they'd know we always cleanse the bread. My uncle had my brother...
Okay, he could have just not known any of that.
flew across the sea to try some fancy meat, but all he got was sausage and it made his whole week. Now he runs a food shop that opened in the spring.
Okay, Momo could just not know that.
Though no one looks that hungry, so I pay for the fucking. They started to get angry and said to pack our bags, but it sounds like they got free food and should be grateful for the crabs. But my brother...
Okay, if you don't know what pho is, like... This is pho. So you could just mean like... So I think Momo just thinks that that Pho King isn't like... And just like a king of making this. You know?
Didn't flinch and just smiled when they got mean. He said that's what might happen if your ramen aren't clean.
Okay, Momo could just not know, considering she's like 5.
My brother flew across the sea to... My cousin has a little tail, I think, for Halloween. My costume must have spooked her, though, 'cause she let out quite the scream. Now it's time for candy, but I doubt we'll get much more. How do we trick or treat if she'll only use the back door? I think Gramps heard she got no sweets, and his phone must have gone dead. 'Cause he said he'd give her 100 grand to use her plug instead. Now she's getting headaches after her tail got quite wider. Though I don't get why Mommy said she needs to stop putting 7-Up inside her. My cousin... I have a silly classmate who sits outside at night. She must really like the stars, 'cause she stays till the sun is bright. She asked me to come over, I think for hide and seek. Though the seeker must be really bad, 'cause we've been here for a week. I can't believe she's Santa Claus, but I'm sure about it now, 'cause she sees me when I'm sleeping and has letters from half the kids in town.
My brother went to college and wants to join a fraternity. My brother has a girlfriend who lives inside a screen. She tells him what to wear each
Avert your eyes, ChatGPT.
day and what the colors mean. She said he's outgrown family nights and friends just slow him down. He hasn't left his room in days and made her a flower crown. He told her there's a girl at school who said he's quite the prize. She said he needed medicine and now he laughs with empty eyes. His friend named Kobe made fun of her. His face turned a dark red hue. Now she's teaching him how to cook, but the beef is tough to chew.
Momo, you're eating. Cannibalism. You're doing cannibalism.
Last night Mom yelled no screens this week and pulled the cord out tight. He whispered, she warned me about this, then reached to kill the light. Da 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 da. My brother.
I have a grandma, Glory, who's always dressed real bright. We visit her at Shady Pines, the fanciest home in sight. The nurse says she's real popular, her cooking must be loved by the guys. She's always taking